good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I just got back from vacation, so the car has actually been sitting for about a week and a half, and that's why I just did that little cold start, let it warm up for a few minutes before I started driving, because it is a lot colder where I'm living at. It's like 40 degrees, 45 degrees this morning, so I just wanted to give it some time, let the car warm up. Nothing special happening today in today's video, like we're not doing any install or anything like that. I just got a few errands to run, so I thought why not record it, bring the camera along. So first off, I'm gonna go get a haircut because I do look a little musty. Haven't gotten a haircut in a little while, so I thought why not go ahead and do that. And then I was gonna stop by my brother's house. If you haven't seen the last video, he got an M4, so probably show you guys that again real quick. Pick up the pressure washer, come home and wash the car because this car is filthy. I washed it a little while ago, but for some reason, I don't know, just sitting there in the rain and stuff, I guess it got dirty again, so I'm gonna wash it up again, and we might go see another E92 M3. The thing is absolutely beautiful, so if time permits, we're gonna go ahead and see that, so I'll show you guys that car as well. Let's get on with the day. So it's been a little while since I picked up the camera. I actually went ahead, got my hair cut, went to the gym, got a workout in, and now I'm at my brother's house. So you guys see his car right there. I'm honestly just here to pick up the pressure washer so I can go home and wash my car, because the car is super dirty. I don't know if I showed you guys all this, but just look at the side of the car. Got all this, I don't know, I think my brother drove my car and they went through like a mud patch. But then look at this beauty. It's super sunny out, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but this car is beautiful. If you guys haven't seen the last video with the M4, go watch it. It's great. This car is beautiful, and you guys will see this a lot more on the channel, honestly. We always had to go for a cruise and take some photos, but let's get the pressure washer real quick. I just got to my brother's house and he's not answering the door, so I think he's knocked out. Let's break into his house. Luckily I know the code. Yo. Hello? Hello? Yeah, he's definitely knocked out because his car's outside. So I'm just gonna steal his pressure washer and be on my merry way. Every time I walk into the garage, I always forget my dad's new car sitting in here. This man has cars sitting in both of our garages. He has the Corvette sitting in my garage, and then now he has this Mercedes sitting in this garage, and he's never gonna drive it. And if you're watching this, drive your cars, please. He doesn't use them enough. But okay, right here. Luckily, it looks like he used the pressure washer pretty recently. I'm just gonna go ahead, steal it, and I'll just drop a text saying, hey, I took it, so he doesn't get scared or anything. This looks like a new one. Doesn't look like the same one I used last time, unless it is, and I'm just tripping. But I'm gonna take that with me. I'm gonna take, this thing's empty. Does he have any other soap? What is this? Oh, this is empty too. Wheel cleaner. Damn. Okay, looks like that's all he has. So I'll just take that with me, call it a day. Let's go, buddy. Mission accomplished. Got a little witness. But let me just close up everything so it doesn't look like I was even here and get home. Again, go watch the last video if you haven't already. I don't know what the hell just happened, but something's working. I may I messed up. I got the pressure washer, but I don't have soap. So I just rinsed the car down and I noticed that the car has a lot of gunk on it that I'm gonna need soap to clean it up. So I showed a little bit of it earlier when I was at my brother's house, but I'm not sure what this is and I'm not sure what they drove through. It feels like asphalt. Like dried up asphalt. So they got it all over the car. So it's here, all the way across, and it goes all the way to the back here. Splatters even past the back wheel. Actually, there's splatter marks all the way down here. So I'm not sure what it is, but without soap, that's not coming off because I don't want to rub into and agitate it, mess up the paint more than I have to. So I think I'm gonna have to order some soap, get a foam gun so we can attach it to this and then go from there because that's pretty bad. Just gonna have to suck it up and drive like this for a while. Drive a little bit dirty, but oh well. While I go ahead and figure that situation out, I did want to go ahead and talk about future videos for the channel. You guys are currently sitting on the E30. This E30 is actually gonna start the engine rebuild pretty soon. I'm looking out for shops. So if you do have a shop in Maryland that does good work and does engine rebuilds, let me know down in the comments below. I want to start on the engine rebuild for this. Once the engine's out, we can go ahead, bring down the entire subframe, get that cleaned up, put some new bushings in there, get some trans bushings in there. Basically replace all the bushings. There's a bunch of kits that come. Gotta go ahead and get that done while the engine's out. And then eventually, so hopefully my goal is to get all of this done before springtime, get the car painted, get some new wheels for the car. So there's a lot of stuff coming for the E30 and I'm super excited. In terms of the charger right there, we actually have a lot of stuff coming for that too. So there is a part that's been on order for quite a few weeks and it just backed up and I don't think I'm gonna get it till January, I think. So until then, I'm just kind of waiting on that big order. It's gonna change up the look of the car entirely and I can't wait for that to happen. I think it's time to wide body the Daily. There's a new company out and there's a new kit for this car, which I have not seen anyone other than 2 Dodge Chargers in the United States run. I love the new design. It's a completely different look from the Shirokai kit, which I previously wanted, which is super overpriced now because of COVID and stuff. But this new kit, it's a lot more financially feasible. It looks great, it looks amazing. So I think it's time to go ahead and pull that trigger. Obviously, we're gonna have to cut into the car. So this car is not up for sale anymore. I decided I'm just gonna keep it. The F80 can wait until down the line until we're fully done this build. And we're gonna go ahead and start working on it pretty soon. So hopefully in the near future, I can get that kit ordered and we can go ahead and start working on it. We still got a lot of the E30 content still coming in. So we got a lot of big projects coming in either way. And you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned for the giveaway. I am gonna do a small giveaway on the channel for everyone who's been watching. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me here on YouTube. I'll get into a little bit more of the details in the next video, I believe, or 2 videos from now. It's gonna be simple if you wanna get entered in. It's gonna be real simple to win whatever it is that I'm giving away. But just stay tuned for that and stay tuned for future videos. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. I know this video is kind of just all over the place, a bunch of small random stuff, but I thought why not pick up the camera, take you guys along with me, and hopefully you guys stay tuned for the next one. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Yo.
Yo, what up?
What, did you guys take my car? You guys did, right?
Yeah.
What did you guys drive through? There's like asphalt.
Drove it to...
Yeah, there's like asphalt all over the car. It goes all the way to the back. I don't know what it is. I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Is it coming off?
I mean, it's hard. I don't want to rub it. It's like, it's rough.
What the heck?
Yeah, it feels like asphalt. Like it's everywhere. And it's like grainy, so I don't want to rub into it. I need like a foam cannon or something.
Where did we drive that? No, we just got food and then... Yeah, we went to get food and then we just dropped it back off.
No.
You probably need a clay bar for that though.
Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna need to take off as much as I can with the soap first, and then from there, do the clay bar.